So over here you can see that I have a design, and now let's say what I want to do is I want to export out this design in various formats so that I can use it in different platforms. So in order to export out the design that you made inside of VistaCreate, you can go around over here onto the export area right here. On the top, you can see export is an option. So if you were to go around and click right here, then you can see that there's various options given to you for exporting. For example, you can go around and download this as a JPG image. So you can go around and click right here, then it downloads it out as a JPG image right here. It says preparing and it says the file is ready. So now you can simply go around and save it out right here. And let me just get out of the full screen right here, and on the downloads, you can see that this is the design that you have right here in JPG format. Similarly, you can go around and download this as a PNG format as well. So if you have transparency in your projects and want to maintain it, then PNG is the format to go for. You can also go around and download it as a PDF document, as you can see right here, just like this. And then that is what you have, just like this as well. If you have animations over here on the project, so if I were to go around onto animate, and let's just go around over here and animate these things around. So let me just go around, add in flash right here. Let's add in some shake right here. Let's add in flash over here as well. And let me just go around onto animate onto scale right here. And let me just shake this and so forth. I'm adding random animation, and if I were to play it, you can see this out right here. So if you want the animations to be preserved, then what you can also do is you can export it out as a GIF animation. So to do that, you can go around onto export, and then you can see that GIF is an option. And since I added in an animation, you can see that MP4 is an option as well, which is a video format. So if I were to go around and click on GIF right here, then what happens is that it prepares a GIF animation with all of the animations right there. And then it'll export out the file as ZIF, and it'll be downloaded as ZIF. So it is taking a bit while, which is normal. So I'm just going to go around and save it. And this is what you have. As you can see, there's a bit of animation and so forth. But with the GIF, the quality is not maintained much. So if you want high quality animations, then you can download it as an MP4 file, which is a video file format, a very common video format, which is standard across many platforms such as YouTube. So if I were to go around and save this, now you can see that I got this MP4 file right here, and this is the video file right here with the total duration and so forth. You can also go around over here onto the more section, and you can go around and choose different format as you like. Like you can maintain PNG transparency right here by selecting this format, and even choose the scale like 2x scale right here and download it in that particular format as well. So you can see that there are various formats that you can choose from while you're working around with VistaCreate, and you can see that this is a PNG with transparency, so you can see that the background is not shown right here and it is transparent. And that is how you can go around and export out your projects in different format inside of VistaCreate. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.